if you thought the exterior was fun, well, look inside. The interior is fun as F. Because look at that. Large big screen. And I know everybody talks about large big screens and it's a thing now. But I think this is where Lotus actually shines, because there are elements in the car that was made for, how do I say, as required basis, what is actually required. Most screens out there, obviously like the BYD, back comparison, has a screen that actually tilts this way, which is fine. But on this particular screen, it actually tilts downwards so that you don't actually see the screen while you're driving. So it's totally off and it goes this way, flat, to go to the curvature of the dash, and it's out of your point of view, which is I like. It's a good thing I love for the car. The S model, as you can see over here, comes with ambient lighting. This is only available on the S, not on the base spec. And obviously the R also will come with this version. The top there, you got suede Alcantara, good stuff. Panoramic roof, which is beautiful. There's no touch point in this car. You'll think that why was it done this way? I believe this interior now, we are on a vegan leather interior, which is an option. But they also have got the full Napa leather option for you. And if you look closely, get this shot over here. Okay, look at this. Now, this is fabricish. If you can go, let's see closer on the side. Come over here. Yeah, this is like fabric, and this is like your vegan leather. So again, purposeful where it's required. And they've got these buttons here. Now, these buttons here, they look very, very polished and quite nice. And if you come outside here, I'm going to show you the buttons here again. Yeah. Okay, this is me geeking out over buttons. So this button there, if you can see the small little piece there, the metal piece, this is apparently what they call as liquid metal. So they make metal such a way that it can conforms to certain shapes and it blends in. And what that means is over time, and you use this, it's not going to give way. It will be nice to the touch as well as last for a long time instead of typical buttons. Other than that, over here you've got this CAF system. These are apparently quite the new thing. So you've got a different setup on the S model and the R model. The S model also comes with 22-inch rim stock. These are now on 23. And in Malaysia, if you buy the base spec model, it comes with 20-inch rim, which something that I probably will go for because they're more comfortable to drive on a daily basis. 23-inch tires. Wow, that's a big asking. Now, moving on to the back, let's see here. These are custom in Malaysia as a +2. So in Malaysia it's 2 and 2, but I think they also have option for a full 3-seat option. And let me just get this out. Oh, it tilts out this way, but this is obviously a pre-production model. The full production model, this actually tilts outwards, and you can adjust your climate control and all that good stuff. The seats, this is something that I had an issue with before. So, sorry Porsche, we drove the Taycan for a long distance drive, and the Taycan has a similar style seat, like a sporty seat. The Taycan seats were horrible. Sorry to say. They were not the most comfortable seats. These are brilliant. The support you have on the seats are brilliant. So it seems like Lotus have upped the game against the EV market, against Taycan. Compared to a Taycan, this is more spacious, more comfortable, bigger, practical, because even on the front compartment with the Taycan, again, oh my god, sorry, I'm just bashing up Porsche so much, but with the Taycan, the front seats were not the most best place to be. The door bins were not almost non-existent. Here, everything is practical because you know why? It was built to be used. And the price tag, oh my god, that's another thing altogether different. But again, yeah, buttons, the feel, the touch, everything is brilliant. I'll show you all the specs later on in the video about what it goes for and in terms of speed and pricing. But all you know is that this is really cheap, great value. If you get the R model, it's the first hyper SUV or any SUV that goes towards 9.5 seconds. Power is immense. It comes with water handling. Build quality is amazing. Very few cars have got this kind of build quality. And yeah, it's just a whole different experience in car ownership. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Lotus Eletre. One of the biggest challenge about this car is that saying the word Eletre was very difficult, because you tend to say electric, but it's Eletre. And Eletre means coming to life, I think in Portuguese, and I think having life or something like that. But yeah, this is giving a new life to Lotus. I think it's brilliant. I think it's gorgeous. And I hope to see more of Electras on the road in Malaysia. And yeah, if you haven't seen one, well, this is your chance. They are coming to Malaysia starting 13th of March, and it's brilliant. April, okay.
I am lit by my legacy. Passion, performance, racing. Who I was will never change. Who I will become is up to me. Life is my race. Progress is my speed. Drivers are my people. I am a portal to the future. Live. Drive. I am free. I am rebellious. I am limitless. I am Eletre.